So it's February 10th, 2020, Monday, at 5:49 p.m. Let's see. I'm doing a test on Thursday through Friday. So they UCLA, it's called a BH24 manometry test. They just stick a tube down my nose into my stomach. I have to wear that for 24 hours to the little box that you compute information in. We're testing to see how strong my esophagus is so I can have reflux surgery. I did this test before, but it wasn't so invasive. They actually put an implant in my esophagus, and it was a 48-hour test. This time, I don't know how I'm going to do it. I get very claustrophobic, and having a tube go through my nose down into my stomach and wear that for 24 hours, I don't know how I'm going to get through it with the hiccups and the choking spasm. I don't know how I'm going to do it. And they had me off my reflux meds since last Thursday. I couldn't make it through Friday night, so I had to take a pill. So I already broke the rule once. It's fairly cruel to ask a patient to stop taking a med that keeps your acids from shooting up your esophagus and your food from regurgitating. Not that it is that great of a job. But there's definitely pain in my esophagus when I don't take it. Very hollow, very painful. It's very hollow and painful. Stress and miserable. They put patients through so archaic. To this day, I just don't get some of the things they still make us do in 2020. Put a tube down your throat and your stomach for 24 hours. That's just, and then not take your meds for a week prior to and through the test. That's just cruel. It's just cruel. Because the lab, based on the pH-48 Bravo manometry test, he doesn't think my esophagus is strong enough to use the ring they want to put in around my sphincter to keep food and acid from shooting up. They don't think my esophagus is strong enough to push food through. And so I'm just a fucking mess. This sucks. It just sucks.